If you've had moi moi that was cooked in an aluminium tin, then you know exactly how amazing this is. You don't need me to rant on about it. But for those of you who haven't had this experience, this is how you recreate it at home. You're going to want to soak your beans first until they are hydrated and rub the beans between the palm of your hands until you are able to remove the shaft. Add your clean beans into your blender alongside some capsicum, onion and your habanero. To season and flavour our moi moi today, we're going to be using some shrimp powder, a seasoning cube, and the most important ingredient, some nutmeg. Trust me when I say the nutmeg makes such an amazing difference. Add salt to taste as well and puree your batter until you have a very, very silky batter. Look at this batter. The smoother the better the outcome. Go on to add your oil and mix that through until it's well incorporated. For the toppings today, we're using a combination of corned beef, shrimp, boiled egg, and of course, some delicious beef liver. Some other great toppings include some tuna, and of course, some smoked mackerel is also fantastic. To prepare our beef liver today, we're going to add a bit of oil to a heated pan, and then followed with that, we're going to saute our onions. Once your onions are nice and translucent, add your beef liver and saute that with some salt. As soon as it starts to change color, go on and add some ginger powder and saute until the liver is mostly cooked. Remember, we're going to do the remaining of the cooking during the steaming process of our moi moi, so don't overcook your liver in order to avoid it being chewy. Pour your batter into your oiled aluminium tins and proceed to add your toppings to your desired amounts. Go on and be generous with your toppings. You want to have a bit of everything with each bite. My personal favorite is this delicious beef liver. It's so perfectly cooked and it ties together so well with the moi moi. Today we are steaming our moi moi in a cast iron baking dish that is also stove friendly. So I've added this onto my stove and made sure that there's always enough water in there for the entire 40-minute process of steaming. Now for the most important question, who is making this for Iftar? I hope you enjoyed this episode of Iftar with Iti. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next episode, inshallah. Ramadan, 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 Marhaba.